Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pause a download on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main Steam interface where you can access all your games and features. Now, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see several menu options there. Click on Library to access your game collection. This is where all your installed games and current downloads are displayed, making it the central hub for managing everything related to your game library. Once you're in the library section, take a look at the left panel. Here you'll see a list of all your games, including any that are currently downloading or installing. Browse through this list and click on the game you want to pause the download for. This will open up the game's detail page where you can manage its installation and settings. On the game's page, you'll notice a pause button. Go ahead and click on it. This action will immediately halt the download process for that specific game, freeing up your bandwidth for other tasks or downloads you might need to prioritize. It's a simple but incredibly useful feature, especially when you're managing multiple downloads or need to temporarily conserve your internet connection. Your download will automatically pause as soon as you click that button. Steam will save your download progress, so you won't lose any of the data that's already been downloaded. This means when you're ready to continue, you can pick up right where you left off without having to start over. Whenever you want to resume your download later, simply return to the same game page in your library and click the resume button that now appears in place of the pause button. This gives you complete control over your download queue and helps you manage your gaming experience more efficiently. And that's it! You've successfully paused your download on Steam and can resume it whenever you're ready. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.